tour time. Now to the first lift, which is in the main building, which is particularly new. Anyways, this lift is in, I think it's the orange lift it is. These are set of three lifts. These ones are a year lift was installed in 2009. And what's weird is on floors 1 and 3 going up to 7, they have a Schindler lift indicator and shine. But on floor 2, it's got a generic indicator and shine. And it also has the generic indicator inside the lift. This is a quite weird elevator. Anyways, on visiting days like this, the lift is really busy. But on night times, it's basically not used really often. Quite weird. Anyways, that's alright, these lifts. You know what? This elevator just passed us, but it kept going on up. Hold your horses. Here's another crowded lift. Except it's taken the up call. Maybe it'll also take the down because yeah, I think you know. Down on level 2 near the orange lifts. Okay?
What, down here?
Yep, down there.
Down there? And whereabouts down there?
Near the orange lifts on level 2, near the doors, okay?
Okay,
well,
how long away will you be?
Hopefully not long.
Okay, well I'll go across the road and get something to eat. Okay?
Okay.
So I might be a while.
Okay then.
Just go back to the...
Okay. And here is a lift. Anyways, that bun's already gone out, and I'm just gonna come in here and film the lift randomly. Oh, this one's not crowded. Anyways, this one lift also goes down to level 2. Capacity 2,000 kilograms, 26 persons, and someone added S and list. Schindler's List. I think it's an actual movie, and that is your custom floor indicator. 2.
This is us.
Oh,
Is that
I'm
right?
going to be.
Are you going out?
No.
Oops,
No,
sorry.
but someone else's. Anyways,
You're in the way, you need to make room.
Anyways, we're going down to car park level 1. Oh, don't worry. And on level 2, it actually sounds like the generic time. Anyways, that is some random graffiti. Like it, toilet, and cab. And we'll be getting out here because there will be something I would like to look at. And again, random bucket. And that's it. And now to the next lift, which is the lift, which is in the same building. This lift is the green lift, and this is a mixed-use elevator. You can only go between floors 1 and then 3 in this lift. Floors 4 to 7 are locked off. But I don't know why they did that, because the orange lifts are just too busy. If they had all floors unlocked on the green lift, they could have acted as a side lift. And again, they go to the exact same locations on the green lift. So what's the point of the green lift then? Maybe it's staff only lifts 1 and 2. Anyways, this lift has generic indicators. Use the actual Schindler lift MRL indicators, but they don't have a PR on every floor. Anyways, okay, these are the green lifts at Wellington Regional Hospital. Oh, it's got priority service too. And here comes the lift. And here we see oh no, they actually have different indicators.
Sorry, that's right.
And here we see the lift. And it involves our yeah, I'm just filming the lift. I'm an elevator photographer.
Where are you off to?
Oh, I'm just filming it.
Because you can't get in and out of this lift without a swipe card.
Okay.
You can get out, but you can't get in.
Oh yeah, I'm going to go back down to level 2 after I film this. Oh, that one's failed.
Lift stopping level 6.
Oh, and
It's gotta go at 1 more.
6. And
Oh, we're on the travels again, are we?
you sure are. Which floor are you going to?
7 sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Anyways, when press these two basketballs for constant process. Door close. Anyways, I'll be going back to level 2.
Lift stopping, level 7.
I was thinking about going back down to level.
Yeah?
You'll be alright to get down to 2 now.
Yep, I'll be
You'll be
fine.
fine.
And that is the action indicator. And which floor?
6.
Okay. Oh, we were down there. Oh, and that's it. And that's the door holes. Oh, and oh.
Lift stopping, level 6.
Yeah.
Okay, have a good time.
You too.
I don't really care. Plus, because I'm 13 and all. And besides, if I went down to level 1, it would just be the same thing as we're going to go
Lift
across.
stopping, level 5.
Oh, for God's sake. That's the odds. And he's going to level 3. Oh, that reminds me, I think levels 4 to 7 are locked off. Only levels 3, 2 and 1 are. Just letting you know. I think Youngsters Channel has filmed these elevators before.
Lift stopping, level 3.
God. Oh, it actually links the ownership. Oh boy, finally one more floor and then I can be out of this elevator. I think these can get really busy.
Lift stopping, level 2.
Oh, for God's sake. Finally! Okay, I'm going to be out of here. Yeah, I think these actually have 2 different indicators. Level 1 is only the car park and I don't have time to go down there. That's it. And now to the next lifts, which are the silver lifts, which are staff-only and bed transport, which were excluded from the helicopter only. No! Oh well, these were the exact same elevators like the last elevators, which were the green lifts. Well, that was a relief because I thought these were going to be different ones, but nah, they're not. Anyways, now to the next lift, which is the lift in the emergency department. This one is called the red lift, and it's the exact same as the green lift. It only goes to floors 1 to 4. But nearby this lift is a set of 4 lifts. These are called the purple lifts, and these go to the exact same place. So what's the point of putting in the purple lift? I mean the red lifts then? Maybe it's because they didn't go down to the car park, and level 2 is a staff only part of it. When the purple lifts come out as a staff only floor. Sorry about that. Anyways, let's ride these lifts. Okay, here is another set of lifts. The red lift where there's access to the ward I'm staying in. Anyway, up. Let's see what lift we get. And here is a lift. Oh, down there is stuff only the purple lifts. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're going up to 4. And some other guys are going up to 3. Anyways, apparently these lifts have been installed in 2006. Wait a minute. Hold the horses. Okay, same button go out. That says 2006. And when the other side says 2007. Huh, maybe the different panels were put on at different times. One in
Maybe
nuisance.
one broke.
Yeah.
So now where we go?
And here we are up at level 4. We could have actually looked through the glass. Well, there wasn't actually glass. And here is the lift. And that is your typical indicator that we would have seen on the car for the grid. And that's it. And now out of the main building of the hospital and into the next building, which is the CSB building, and along to the lifts. Now, this lift used to have a bit of history. But before we go to those elevators, let's go to the mortuary elevators. Should I go in these lifts? Nah, probably not. Besides, then the lift will be rated RAT because of the blood in there. Okay, anyways, and these lifts were original 70s offices, but sadly the buttons have been replaced. Anyways, now to the next lift, which is the purple lift. And these used to be some nice 70s offices, but now they've been modernised in the 90s by Otis. Oh well, at least these lifts are Otis Series 1 now, except these lifts are not elevator 401. These are only Series 1 lifts, and these have the round buttons as well. And there is actually about lifts in the set, but when I went, only one of them wasn't working, so there were only 3 lifts working. These ones should have destination dispatch of Otis Compass in the future. Anyways, let's ride them. And one of these lifts has a red door and a button to open it. Didn't press it.
Yes. Is he going to be in time for lunch, do you think? I think they would have had lunch already.
Oh, for shit's sake. Then we go down like, wow, diabetes ball. Okay, so we're coming to some elevators here. It looks like one of them was out of service.
Yeah.
One of these out of service.
Where are you off to? Forward 1, 2?
No, I was just going to go to Rutherford Street.
Oh.
A little bit lost.
These have, looks like these might have had a mod. Oh wow, they're taking that up. Oh, there's no way. I get a good point.
So you're going to 3?
Yes, please.
Oh, Cassie's one of them.
Some weight. So that's the main way out. Yeah, you can go out to Meehan Street that way and take the stairs down to level 2 and then follow the corridors around to the main atrium. Oh, right. Yeah. If you want a cup of coffee, there's a coffee place there too. So just down 1 floor.
I'm sure there's some stuff I don't know what. Shuts down. Okay, these are the purple lifts, and you can see one is switched off. This is in. The lights are off here. Spooky. Now, which elevator will we get? Ah, this one over here. Oh, this one has the back door. Oh, we can go to 12. Then entirely cab. It's kind of nice. Oh, that one's burned out. The best these 2 guys could have gone to 30 persons. Oh yeah, floor 12. Anyways, that goes into the surgery, women's and children's directorate. Yeah, I don't know what the directorate is. Anyways, let's go down to floor 2. Just missed the lift. Mum, here's your phone. Ah, here's a. Oh shoot! I think this one doesn't have the doors. We can. Anyways, let's go down to 2, and we'll see what it is. So that indicator this time. Oh, I filmed this with my tonguey on on the 6th, which is like taking down here in New Zealand. We are floor 2. Level 2 is kind of spooky here. And that goes to the ward support block lifts. I think these are just really the blue lifts. And now to the next lift, which is in the children's ward. And this lift is a 70s oldest Lexan hydraulic. And I stupidly stayed in this ward too. Yay! Okay, this is one of the lifts near the children's ward too. Looks like it's old 70s Otis. And here is the lift. Looks really nice. Anyways, let's go down to 3. Yeah, I think this is the lift in a children's ward. Old 70s Otis. Lightning toilet. Cap. Oh. Toilet cap. Apparently, we have to press the door close button. Anyways, there is level 2, except we can't access it. Looks like it's some sort of basement. Yeah, so this does go down 2 floors. Except we're only going down 1. Because I've got to get something to eat, I'm starving. And I've had to have an injection thing. Oh well, there's the indicator working so far. And I bet it stays open for a long time, that's it. And now, before we go on with the tour, we did something we weren't supposed to do. Well, we were taught into it by, I don't know, and we went along a star from the corner to the G&B building. Wow! And let's take a look around it. No, it's spooky. Wow, so oh, this is level 2. Oh, I remember that lift. So that was the lift I saw you say. That goes down to level 2.
Daniel, should we see if we can see the antenatal unit?
And at the end of the tunnel, there is. So this is what it's like on level 2. Service lift thing,
I don't think we should really
must be
ride
original
these.
to the building, as it's a 60s Otis hydraulic. And there are also a
I
set
don't
of
think
2
so.
Come on, let's see if we can.
which we didn't go up. And to get
Mum, we are on a
out
staff
of
only
this
floor,
building,
so
we had
just
to go
go
up the
back.
service lift.
See, Mrs.
Wow.
Judy, we only found this. We weren't going to
This
ride the stuff.
labels it as B and C. That is weird. Anyways, let's write.
Oh, for shoot's sake.
What? Oh, and this isn't looking inside the elevator. No, let's get out of here. I didn't realize this elevator existed. That is an old plan. Hydraulic. Wow, it's a little tiling cab. I don't think this elevator is a public. I'm going to run this. Oh, and also down the basement, we also found these elevators. That's what it's like on level 2.
Come on, let's go outside.
Well, that's it. And now to the service lift, which were original 70s Otises, but these ones were locked off. And I was actually keen on riding them because the Grace New block lifts, or the public lifts, were 70s doses, but they've been modernised by Cone! Oh well, at least they're not Cone generic stuff.
Okay, these are the elevators. I mean the yellow lifts. And here is one. Wow, looks like one. Anyways, let's go. 13. And someone's going to 9. Anyways, this is where it's a building. It actually says that this building is lift number 5. Capacity 1,814 kg for 26 persons. Oh, looks like the door close button got replaced with a down arrow. Wow, that's funny. Lightning tight link and then the cab.
You're gonna go with him, are you?
Anyway, yeah, that's what this button does. I think. And
Well, where are you going down
it was a new. Yeah, that's all. It took so.
Here we are.
Nice.
Going up.
And let's see if this button works. It sure does.
now? You're going to the top floor, aren't
Yep. And then we're going all the way down.
you? Okay.
Yeah, such a surprise. It takes a short time to get to from 2 floors from the main floor, but it takes so long to get to the next one.
13th floor.
Must be over its logic. Anyways, if these elevators were modernised by
Do you want
code
me to come out?
and well, I didn't expect this. They don't have a PI on every floor.
What's a PI?
Oh, two's locked because it's a spooky service area. Didn't suspect that. Yeah, I think these were Cone. Yeah, these were modernised by Cone. I don't know when. Well, we got a full ride down.
3rd floor.
And here we are at level 3. Yeah, looks like there were outpatients. Over there are the goods lifts, which I think are original Lotuses. Don't know when they'll be modernised. That's it.
And now onto the next building, which is next to the CSB building, and back of these lifts were service lifts. I didn't bother to ride those. Anyways, the other side lifts were touch-sensitive Otis Lexans in their original condition. Yes!
Okay, these are the blue lifts at the Wellington Hospital. It's a cool one. Wow, touch sensitive. And here is the lift. Really interesting to actually see touch sensitive. Let's go to 12. Let's see if we can actually go to 13. Lightning tight cab. At the end of this, we're heading back down to our ward. We are 12. And does this button work? No, it doesn't. Let's go back to 3. Capacity is 2 person of 1,040 kilos. Oh, I see. I see the link well. It's a staff-only link well. I didn't actually think of that. So that's why level 2 in the Grace Mill block was locked off. And there goes the elevator. Went up to level 5. That's it. Okay, so I think this is a listen to Remote Mental Health Recovery Unit. Ah, here's the lift. Let's go to 1. Lightning Telly Cab. Yeah, I think this is actually an old elevator. At least it's a traction. It's called first ground and basement. Oh shoot. The call button's locked. Ah, no it's not. Come on Mum, let's go down to ground and get out. Anyways, let's finish on ground because I don't want to be... Ground. Yeah, the weird thing is it does not have piano on any floor. Anyways, that's it.
And now to the old Redford building. Taking a look in 2009, there used to be another building next to it. But it's gone! In replacement for a car park. And now in 2018, they're building a new children's hospital in place of that car park. Why did they pull the other down building then? They could have refurbished it. So annoying.
These are some lifts at a place called, what is it? Stone Zero. Smiling. And these children for funds at Yeety Hospital. These are some zero hands, I guess. We have level 0. And it looks like they were beyond level 4. Good, 2. And we'll have it on the entrance. So let's go to 1. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I think it wasn't that much yet. I think it's like, yeah, 1. No, these do not move. Sorry. This is the next lift to Oklahoma Hospital. Personally notice. Although it's modernised, I guess. It has been modernised. Let's go to 1. It was vouchering details from stuff before lightning, Thailand. 2 comes 29 persons. I got 1. Ooh. Comes down another level. So let's go to ground. So honestly, I have no idea. This was looking old oats modernised. Right oats. Let's lift go. Making a lot, I'm sorry. I think that's it.
And now that is all of the lifts in the hospital. So now let's go to some lifts which are nearby. Okay, first to Te Haupai Care Home, or in this case Te Haupai Home and Hospital. They've recently added some Schindler 5500s there. And I did not really film them. Well, if I did film them, they would come after this really boring speech. But
Okay, these are lifts at the School of Medicine and Health Sciences, Sage University of Otago. These are 90s eco discs. Anyways, let's try this one here first.
If we just have it on a Monday.
On the second floor, let's take this one. Anyways, firstly,
Change the thing on.
direct case locked. We can go to J, and up there it says
change them
C.
on a Monday.
That's what it says when the floor's locked. Lightning timing.
So yeah, we can.
And then
So-
you have it again. Capacity is 6,100
we could
kilograms.
do about
This
that
is
is
floor.
we could run
I think lift
over
one.
with her. I'll write it down.
Bunker
What
bed.
the times are. This one.
Here we are,
How
J.
often are we using?
Let's see if we can actually go down to.
Are you okay with changing?
And if we take a look over here, this lift continues going up, and that one goes
Are we going down?
and continue
This is in the
going
university.
down.
This is the Otago University.
B's locked off too. Let's go back. Let's go down to C. I'm not going to bother using the priority buttons just for.
So it's a cone,
Priority.
is it? A cone series 2, is it?
It's cone. I think it's the Kone Delta series.
Oh, right.
These
The
are the only
Delta
lifts
series.
here.
Then of course if it's celiac thing as well, then everything changes. We'll all be cooking with lentils and flipping, well, which you should be anyway. I mean, as vegetarian, I probably should be hungry.
And there's your child. We won't bother watch dogs go. There's your indicator. That's it. And now we go to a nearby medical centre, which is called the Redford Medical Centre, along to the left, which is a 3300. Seriously. Okay, this is the lift at the Redford Medical Centre. What is the lift? And it is this load of shit. It's 3300. What? You have to go to level 2. Here is the lift. She pay you. Go to 2. It's lift, not elevator. Again. That's the uncle grams or 10 persons. So cheap. Really not. They're pretty much famous. They're always famous for having PLs in the floor. Reception in there. Grounds.
Door closed. Elevator is going down.
It's a lift, not an elevator. Yeah, the stage powered bunch of hospital, including it because it's near Wellington Hospital.
Ground floor. Door opening.
Well, I think it does have 3 doors though. That's nice, and that's it. And now to the next building, which is University of Otago building. Let's go inside to see what lifts here are. And they have 90s eco discs. I think these are the first generation ones, even though they have cone delta fixtures. And they have priority buttons for levels B and K. Didn't press them. Besides,